Want to save hundreds of thousands of dollars on your move from Maximo 7.6 to the cloud? Then you're talking to the right people. Banetti Cloud is built on the principles of efficiency and improvement. So when we look at what you have in 7.6 and we look at where you want to be, we come in, we start assessing the actual usage, we dig in, we understand how the apps are being used, what the processes are, what your user configurations look like, what your security groups look like, and then we map that into what a to-be state should look like. So that's a combination of the app point conversion as well as right sizing the service and the servers to fit your needs. Once we've done that, we bundle that with the Center of Excellence support so that as your users are getting support in this new model, they are actually getting help that helps them improve, not just answer a discrete question, but actually improve how they're using the system. And with that, we then feed back changes into the system and through your change control board or whatever your process is, so that we can see changes implemented over time that actually help the users get more value back out of the system. And what happens when the users get more value out of the system? They use it more and they put better data back into the system. And what can we do with better data? We can react to situations more quickly, we can start to become predictive, and we can better understand where we need to allocate our time and resources on a more precise basis. So what happens is we actually start to generate some ROI out of the system support as part of your Banetti Cloud subscription. So you want to see how you can not only save hundreds of thousands of dollars on this app point conversion up front, but actually see some continuous ROI generated out of your Banetti Cloud and investment in Maximo? You're talking to the right people. Shoot us an email, upgrade@banetti.com. Give us a phone call. Love to hear your thoughts. Like, subscribe. Get ready with Banetti.